third part of the time. I promise we won't start with happy. Okay, so it's a real treat. First we had the other sister class come up and do this, and they finally got to listen to somebody else do it. And now it's their turn. It can be a little stressful, and it's about the definition of teamwork. But these guys have done a wonderful job with one of my favorite patriotic teams, so it's going to be great. Once again, that is not easy. They did a wonderful job. Thank you guys. It's a beautiful patriotic.
Okay. I also want to mention and make sure that everyone knows that our 5th grade students here at Sal Terrace participated in writing some heartfelt letters to veterans, and they are posted in the foyer as you walk into the gym. So you can see those, and that was their contribution to today's activity, was they decided to write some letters, and some of them are really, really neat. So thank you to our 5th graders for doing that. At this time, I'm going to call up a few guys here that are going to give out some student awards today. I'll also recognize at this time Our gentlemen today from both Poseyville and New Harmony, American Legion. From New Harmony, we have Commander Gary Watts, Steve Carner, and Ed Osborne. Thank you guys for coming. From Poseyville, American Legion Post 278, we have Commander Robert Dale Robinson, James T. Poole, Jim Hunt, Charlie Elpers, and Dave Morlock. Thank you. I'm going to turn it over to them this time to present some student awards.
Thank you so much. I see a lot of things. But anyway, each year it's going to be redundant, a lot of it. American Legion across the state of Indiana puts on a 4th grade flag education program. We do North Elementary, South Terrace, and St. Middle School. And we give awards to the best male grade and the best female grade. This is what, 4 years I think we've done this. So, and it's a really great honor to do it because you'd be surprised what these kids learn and how good they learn. I believe if I took that test the first year, I'd flunk it. It's really a tough test, so they have to work at it. It's nothing easy. And I think we've even got a little family tradition going on here. I'm not really sure. But first of all, let me announce the male winner of the 4th grade education test, Mr. Ethan Ashby. Come on down, Ethan. Okay, this is what I was talking about. I think family tradition. I think she was challenged. She better win. Somebody else is down there. It's Kaylee Wilson. I want to thank all 4th grade teachers, Mrs. Wilson, and anybody, you. So anyway, thank you all very much, and God bless you, Deborah.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, Kaylee and Ethan. I also want to take a few minutes to recognize and thank our state senator, one of our state senators, Jim Tomes, and his wife Margie for coming today. If you guys could stand up so we can thank you for coming. Thank you. Okay, we invite special guests to our program. Before we close with our last song and dismissal of the colors, I would like for any veteran who is currently with us today to please stand so we can show you our appreciation, a good South Terrace appreciation. If you could please stand if you're a veteran and you're in the house today. Guys, show them how you thank them from South Terrace. Thank you all very much. Okay, I think we're ready for our final number. Are you ready? Okay.
So, if my rather large South Terrace choir could carefully navigate their ways out of the bleachers. Yeah, there's like 60 something of them. Carefully. But we are going to go on the far side. Yep, that way, not in the middle. Thank you. So you may have noticed this. That was actually a medley of two different famous patriotic songs, "My Country 'Tis of Thee" and "Of Course, America." Two wonderful songs, sung in two-part harmony. Some parts of the song are three-part harmony. So I've been throwing a lot in my choir this year, and
And the kids choose, hey boys and girls, these students choose to come and meet with Mr. Miller to practice and sing. So I think that's a testament of Mr. Miller and his enthusiasm that he brings to our music program, and we're very lucky to have him. So if you could thank him one more time. I want to wrap up by reminding boys and girls, if you listen to the words of the one song, Thank a Vet, I don't think you can do that too many times. So if you see a vet or know a vet, you should thank a vet. Okay? Don't just walk by and say hi. Take your time to thank them. That's very important. We're going to wrap up today's ceremony with the dismissal of the colors. And just like when they enter into a room, when they leave the room, you stand until they're gone. So I'm going to ask everyone to please rise and be silent. That concludes our program for today. Thank you to all of our guests and students. At this time, I want everybody in the student section to please sit down as we dismiss. Kindergarten, you're going to go back to your classrooms first. Kindergarten first, please.